Hello everyone, welcome to Dawa CIT. Today we are going to discuss about variable in C language. In which we will say what is variable, declaration of variable, and third, rules for variable. Okay, so these three topics we will cover today. But if you want to know this same topic, same video in Hindi, I will give a link in the description below. Just go and watch. Okay, so now let's first discuss what is variable. Variable is a name of memory location that stored data. So what does it mean? Variable is nothing. Variable is nothing. It is just a name of memory location that store data. In simple words, variable is like a container. It's like a dabba. It's like a box that store the value, that store the data. For an example, in kitchen, as you all know, there are many boxes, there are many container, right? And all the container, all the boxes will store something like, okay, salt, masala, rice, right? As you all know, there are many boxes in our kitchen, and every boxes will store something, rice, salt, masala, right? It's the same in our computer memory. There are many blocks that will store value. Computer memory means not a hard disk. Okay, computer memory means RAM. RAM. So in RAM, there are many blocks, there are many boxes that store the data. There are many containers in RAM. Okay, so inside this box we store data. Like we store the value 50 here, this box, and 20 here. Okay, and now we will give a name of this box. A, B. So this A is called variable, and also this B is called variable. Okay, so this variable are located where? RAM. Okay, so now the question is very big question. Okay, why we give a name of this box? Okay, so why variable is so important? C programming language, uses of C programming language, all the question answer will be the same. Okay, the same answer. Okay, so why we give a name of this box? We give a name of this box because compiler should know in which location of the value we stored here, right? If compiler doesn't know where we store the value, then how compiler will be executed, right? Compiler must know where we store the value, then compiler will be executed, right? Otherwise compiler confused where we store the value, right? Compiler unable to identify where we store the value, right? So that is the reason we give a name of this box. Okay, so this was the concept of variable. Okay, so now let's talk about declaration of variable. So if you want to know the many topics regarding C programming language, then please I request you like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, declaration of variable. Okay, in C programming language, there are two ways to declare the value, before and after. So what will be the syntax? Data type, variable name, semicolon. This is called after. So why it is called after? Because here we give the value of variable after. Okay. So number one, this is number one. Data type, we give int, variable name a. Okay. So this data type topic will also discuss in my next video. Okay. We will see this topic in my next video. Okay. So second, data type, variable name equal to double quotation mark value. This is before. Data type int, variable name a, value 50. So initialization we give the value of a. Okay, so these two way to declare the value of variable in C programming language. Okay, so now let's talk about rules for variable. Okay, one more important. So there are two ways to declare the variable. Okay, but this is one of the most important variable declaration after. Why? Because during the execution of program, the variable value can be changed. Okay, so that is the reason we mostly prefer after. Okay. Rules for variable. I will tell you four rules. Okay, in variable declaration. Okay, number one, every variable should start with alphabets or underscore. It cannot start with zero digit. Okay, what does it mean? Whenever we declare the value of variable, then the variable first character should be start with alphabets or underscore. For an example, int a semicolon int underscore a. These two are correct declaration, okay, but here, look at here, it cannot start with zero digit. It means we cannot declare the first character any digit like 0, like 2, 3, 4. Okay, we cannot declare any digit here. The first character should be alphabets or underscore, not digit. Okay, so this is the first rules of variable. Every variable should start with alphabet or underscore. Okay, now second rules. Variable are case sensitive. Okay, this is the second rules. Okay, if you declare the value of variable like small letter a, like int a, then only you can use the small letter in whole program. Okay, you cannot declare capital letter a. Okay, instead of small letter, okay, you cannot capital letter declare. Like if I declare here a value 50, if we want to print the value of a, like printf the value of a percent d double quotation mark close, and here we declare capital letter a, and we know that this capital letter a is not declared here, right? So this coding will not be executed. Why? Because this capital letter A is not declared here, right? So if we want to declare value of A, then write here small letter a, then it will be executed. Okay, so that's why variable are case sensitive. Okay, now, okay, this is a number 2 rules, right? Now third rules, no space are allowed in variable declaration. What does it mean? We cannot declare any space between two characters like int a space b. So this is a wrong declaration. Why? Because look at here, A and B between the space, right? So this is a wrong declaration. You can write here int AB. You can write here A underscore B. Okay, this is a correct declaration. Okay, why? Because the value of variable, okay, if we took two variable, then we cannot give any space between two characters. Okay, so that is the reason no space are allowed in variable declaration. Okay, now fourth rules, you cannot use keyword reserved words as variable in C. Okay, so here look, the reserved words. Reserved words means in C programming language already reserved many words like long, int, double, okay, if, else, these all are reserved keyword. Okay, so look at here screen, these are all reserved words. Okay, so here we cannot use reserved word in variable declaration like int long semicolon int if else. These are all wrong declaration. Why? Because this long is a reserved words in C programming language. Okay, so that is the reason reserved words, reserved keyword we cannot use in variable declaration. Instead of you declare here like int a semicolon underscore a, okay, a underscore b, all are support in variable. Okay, so these are four rules of variable in C programming language. Okay, so this was the whole concept of variable. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep watching, keep coding, and keep learning. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.